Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of website flipping. If you are interested in buying, improving and selling online properties for profit, this is the perfect video for you. We will guide you through the process step by step, sharing valuable tips and strategies to help you succeed in the exciting world of website flipping. So, let's get started. Introduction to website flipping. In this section, we will provide you with an overview of website flipping. We will explain what it is and why it can be a lucrative business opportunity. You will learn how buying, improving and selling websites can generate substantial profits. Researching profitable niche. The first step in website flipping is to research profitable niche. We will show you how to identify niches that have high demand and growth potential. You will learn how to use keyword research, market analysis and competitor analysis to find profitable websites opportunities. Finding websites to buy. Once you have identified a profitable niche, it's time to find websites to buy. We will explore various platforms where you can find websites for sale, such as online marketplaces, auction sites, and brokerages. We will also discuss the factors to consider when evaluating websites for purchase. Assessing website potential. Before making a purchase, it's crucial to assess the potential of the website. We'll guide you through the process of analyzing website matrices, traffic sources, revenue streams, and content quality. You will learn how to determine if a website has the potential for improvement and profitability. Improving website performance. After acquiring a website, it's time to improve its performance. We'll share strategies to enhance users' experience, optimize SEO, and increase website traffic. We will learn how to create valuable content, optimize conversion funnels, and implement effective monetization strategies. Building website value. To maximize your profit when selling a website, it's essential to build its value. We'll discuss methods to increase website's value, such as growing the subscriber base, diversifying revenue streams, and building a strong brand. You will learn how to make your website attractive to potential buyers. Selling websites for profit. In this section, we'll explore different avenues for selling websites. We will discuss the pros and cons of selling independently, using brokerages, or listing on website marketplaces. You will also learn how to create an appealing listing, negotiate the selling price, and facilitate a smooth transfer of ownership. Mitigating risk and challenges. Website flipping comes with its own sets of risks and challenges. We'll cover common pitfalls and provide strategies to mitigate them. You will learn how to navigate legal considerations, protect your investments, and avoid scams in the website flipping industry. Congratulations, you have learned the ins and outs of website flipping, from researching profitable niches to buying, improving and selling websites for profit. Remember to thoroughly research niches, find websites to buy, assess their potential, improve website performance, build value and sell for maximum profit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.